beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess, and this video today is going to be all about styling my TWA and giving myself some defined curls. And so if that is something that you guys are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, so like I said, this video is going to be all about me styling my TWA and just giving you a little backstory. I did do a big chop in March of 2019. I think I filmed that on my channel. I'll try and find it and link it in the description box or in the cards, whichever one. So I did a big chop in March of 2019 just because I had a lot of hair shedding from postpartum hair loss and things of that nature. Fast forward to November of 2022, had the exact same problem. So I decided to cut my hair. I had a lot of heat damage, a lot of shedding, postpartum hair loss, all of the things. So I decided to do a big chop again. But this time my hair is a lot more shorter. It's probably about an inch or an inch and a half. And so with me doing that big chop, I definitely didn't feel as confident as what I did before with my hair. So I just started trying different things to style my TWA, and that is what is bringing us here today. And so I recently just co-washed my hair and I have it in this nice towel drying just a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this towel and show you guys what I'm looking like. This is what I'm looking like, you guys. So I have multiple different hair textures. And so I'm at a 3C, 4A, B going on. I thought I was a 4C a while ago, but my aunt was like, no ma'am, you're not a 4C. And so I'm like a 3C, 4, really like a 4A, 3C. And so first things first, regardless if I am getting ready for work or after taking a shower, I like to wet my hair with some hot water. It just helps activate my curls, and that's what I like to do when styling my hair. So I'm just gonna give myself a nice little spray. And so I like to rub that in, and I like to scratch my head too. I don't know why. Do your own thing. This hairstyle, you guys, is super simple and it takes no time. And so next I like to go in with my pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. I love this brand, you guys. And I just do like a couple of squirts because I don't have that much hair. And I like to rub it on in like so. It smells so good. I like to get it all in here like so. And then I take my wide tooth comb because I like to just get all the knots and tangles out, because you don't want to have a cute hairstyle and it's knotty. So I'm just gonna give that a nice comb like so. All right, so I'm all nice and puffed out. Next, I like to go in with my Curl Refreshing Spray, and I just like to give my hair just a little spritz. Like so, just like this, you guys. And I like to massage that on in. And then last but certainly not least, I like to go in with my curl defining mousse. And as y'all can see, like, this is just the product in here. But don't worry, all of this is gonna go away eventually. I'll show you. And so I like to go in with the curl defining mousse with holds. And I like using this one because it does hold, but it's not like a firm hold like what you would have with gel. It doesn't give me that like crunchy feel with my hair. So I like to do just a couple of pumps. So 7 to be exact. And I like to rub it both hands. And I like to just get it all over my hair. Like so. Don't forget them edges. Get them all over. That's what we're looking like. And then, once all of that is done, you guys, I like to go in with my sponge. You can get this from any beauty supply store, and I like to use this side, the one with the ridges, not the flat side, the side with the ridges. And I just take it and I just sponge my hair and do it all over, and try to make sure that you go in the same direction. So before I use my sponge, I'm gonna go through, comb my hair one more time. Let's get in here. Get in now. Let's get in there. Okay, like so. And don't worry about all the whiteness. As y'all can see, it's so much. Don't worry about it because it is going to go away, trust me. And so I just like to, you guys, I forgot my part. And so before I use the sponge, I'm gonna go in. I've been loving like this deep side part. And I like to, you see that? Just brush my hair, or comb my hair rather, to either side. And you don't have to do a part, it's whatever suits your fancy. So I like to do that, just so I have a little bit of sass going on, okay? And then I go in with my sponge, ridge side, not flat side. Ridge side, not flat side. And I just like to sponge my hair. So I like to go, like I said, go in one direction, and I just go all over, like so. Get the back, get the middle, and I just go all over until it gives me the desired curl pattern that I like. Now y'all can see how the curls are forming. And so I like to go over it one more time, and then I'll show you guys like how I swoop my baby hairs. All right, so that is done, you guys. And so I like to go in with my Eco Styler gel, and I like to use the brown one. And this one has, or this is the black one, it has like a max hold of 10. And so I just take just a little bit and I put on my edges. So like so. And I do this every morning, you guys, with my hair when I'm taking the kids to school. So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and swoop my edges, have those ready, and I like to let my hair air dry just a little bit before I come back through and pick it. And then I like to go in with my edge brush. Don't judge it, it has been through it, you guys. And I just like to swoop. And I like to bring just a little bit down. And I like to swoop into my hair so that way it doesn't look like my baby hair is separate from my hair. You know how sometimes you see that? I don't like it. And so I like to swoop this here. Just a little bit. Sorry you guys, I'm looking in the mirror too. Swoop. And I like to do that so that way it goes back into the hair. You see that? Like that. And then I take just a little piece, get a little bit more gel. Take a little piece and bring it on down, like so. Swoop in, boom, swoop in. All right, like so. And as y'all can see, my product is drying. And I feel a little spot that's not sponged enough. Now, if you guys are in a hurry when you're doing your hair in the morning, you can definitely do a blow dryer. But like I said, I do this while the kids are getting ready. And so I'm just going to let this air dry for a few minutes, and then I will come back and show you guys how I pick out my hair. All right, you guys, so it's been a couple of minutes. I've been doing some moving around with the youngins, and now I am back. My hair by no means is completely dry. It's probably about maybe 30–40% dry. And so I like to go in with a pick. This is my husband's pick. Don't tell him that I use this hair stuff. But I like to go in and just pick my hair just a little bit, just lifting it up and just kind of going through where there's a little bit of gap. And so you'll see I'm just doing it like this, getting in there. And sometimes I will just walk out of the house with my hair wet with a product, and I'll just finger detangle or finger unravel my hair. And then I like to just smush my sides down. But this is what I'm looking like, you guys. This is my go-to style every single day. Like, I don't have to apply product every day. I can just use my curl refreshing spray and call it a day. But you guys, using these simple products by Mael definitely sets my curls off. But yeah, you guys, that's how I style my TWA. I'll be doing some more hair videos so that way you guys can see it, because this is definitely part of my journey. So stay tuned for that. But that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Talk to you soon. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.